Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to add your university to your Facebook profile. With the latest updates, Facebook has made it easier than ever to showcase your educational background. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, open up the Facebook app on your smartphone. You'll want to make sure you're using the most recent version of the app for the best experience. Once you're in the app, look for the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is your menu button. Give it a tap to open up a world of options. Now, scroll down through this menu until you spot Settings and Privacy. Tap on that, and then select Settings from the sub-menu that appears. In the Settings page, you'll find a section called Audience and Visibility. This is where the magic happens. Under this section, look for Profile Details and tap on it. You're almost there. Scroll down the Profile Details page until you reach the Education section. Here, you'll see an option to Add University. Tap on this to begin adding your alma mater. Now comes the fun part. Fill in all the details about your university experience. You can add the name of your university, your major, the years you attended, and even any notable achievements or activities you participated in during your time there. Once you've entered all the information you want to share, don't forget the most important step. Hit that Save button to finalize your changes, and there you have it. Your university information is now proudly displayed on your Facebook profile. It's a great way to connect with fellow alumni or show off your educational accomplishments to friends and potential employers. Remember, you can always go back and edit this information or add more educational experiences as you continue your learning journey. Stay connected, stay informed, and let your profile reflect the amazing person you are. Thanks for watching, and happy Facebooking!